OMR6. Can you go to the transaction code OMR6? OMR6. OMR6. Okay. So here, whatever the price differences that we have to set the data variance in the particular FI to MM integrations and all. Okay, so we have to select this one. We have to go to the copy option. Then we can change this option. I mean, we can make some changes on our company code only. Okay, that is the most important thing. Okay, so right, come back. I think already we have defined this data variance, right? Can you go to the position and go to the position? Yes, and give your company code. Automatically you will going to find out the each and everything. Okay, that is the most important thing. Set data variance for your company code is most important, and it is relevant to the each and everything. Okay, right, right, Pawan. See the next one. Next one is when it comes to the SAP S/4HANA, we do have company code currency, right? In the company code currency, what we need to do is you have to create the creation of material using transaction code MM01. So when you are creating the material using transaction code MM01 in ECC, you will not going to find any error. But when it comes to the SAP S/4HANA, you will going to find out some errors. That is material ledger. Whatever the material ledgers that we have for the this company code. Okay, see, this material ledger must be a productive ledger based on the exchange rates. Whatever the exchange rates that we have given here for the foreign currency revaluations and all, based on this thing only, you have to have materials using transaction code MM01. Okay, and this material ledger must be set for the productive of the particular company code with the help of activation of the material ledgers and all. Okay, right. So what we need to do to activate the material ledgers in SAP S/4HANA? So we will going to find out some of the things, right? What are those things? OMX1, OMX2, OMX3. The next one is we do have transaction codes like OMX1, OMX2, OMX3. Then we will going to do the testings using transaction code OKM start. Okay, using transaction code, sorry, CMK start. Okay, then we will do the test runs. We will do the background jobs and all. Then we can execute it. If we face any errors, automatically system will not going to take you to the another thing. Okay, that is the most important thing right now we have. What we need to do is, can you go to the transaction code OMX1, Pawan? See, I will going to show you how you can activate this things and all. Can you go to the OMX1 transaction code? Can you go to the position? Yes. Give PAV1. See, we are in a active status mode, and you have to activate this material ledger activation with the help of price determination. That is transaction based. Okay, so that is the transaction based only, right? So I mean, if you are not finding all these things, what we need to do, can you go to the transaction code OMX2? Can you go to the transaction code OMX2? OMX2. Can you go to the position and take out the material type as 9000 is the material type. That is the standard type with the help of company code currencies. That is 10. Can you go to the define individual material characters and all? So this is the company code currency. You will going to find it. Okay, no need to worry. Then what we need to do, so can you go to the transaction code OMX3? Go to the transaction code OMX3. See, you have to activate this material ledgers. Okay, see, before you activate this material ledgers and all, you have to go to the new entries, and then you have to go to the valuation areas. Then you have to give the material ledger. Okay, our valuation area is can you take out the PAV1, Pawan? So already we have assigned each and everything. So we didn't record those things. So that is why I'm showing like this. Material ledger type. Material ledger type is 9000 only. Okay, so we will going to save this button. Can you go to the save button? I think already the system will going to show you this one is already existed and cannot be modified. Okay, can you cancel this thing? Can you cancel this thing? Go to the red mark option. Automatically, you will going to calculate. Cancel this thing. Yes. Can you go to the position? Come back. Go to the position. See, this is how you can activate the material ledgers using transaction codes OMX1, OMX2, and OMX3. Okay, that is the most important thing in the SAP S4 HANA. Then what we need to do is, can you give slash and pound? Go to the SAP Easy Access. Start SAP Easy Access. Can you go to the accounting? Can you go to the controlling? Go to the controlling, and then next one is product cost controlling. Then next one is actual costing material manager. The next one is environment, and then see here you will going to find out production startup. In that thing, set valuation area as productive type. You will going to get one error when you are creating all these things and all. Okay, we have to have two more things. One is, see, there is an exchange rate type and background processing and test run will be there, right? Okay, can you remove the background processing? Can you remove the background and give the exchange rate type anything like M or anything? Okay, can you go to the execute option? Yes, can you go to the execute option? So I think already productive in plant. See, you have to execute all these things, then remove this test run and give M rate. Can you go to the execute option? Automatically, you will going to face number of, you will going to have number of ledgers principles. Okay, company code principles and all. Okay, that is the most important thing that we have to set for the particular material ledgers and all. See, please try to have a look on these things. Okay, can you give slash in? Can you give slash and Pawan? Okay, now what we need to do is, so we will going to create one material using transaction code MM01. Can you go to the transaction code MM01? Can you go to the transaction code MM01? See, our industrial sector is a mechanical engineering, and then next one is yes, this is a trading types, that is material type is a Hava. See, already we have done the configuration for all these things. Okay, yes, can you click on the enter Pawan? You can just take out basic data one. Go to the continue option, no issue. Go to the continue option. Okay, can you give the storage plant location and storage locations and all? Go to the continue option. See, when you are finding all these things, you will going to find out one errors. Okay, so in the starting of the session, so you can just review each and everything, then come back to this MM01 transaction code. You will going to find out each and everything. Okay, that is the most important thing also in the SAP S4 HANA. See, in the basic data one, we will just give anything, air conditioners, materials and all. And the base unit of measure is PC. And can you go to the material group? Can you go to the material group on? Okay, go up. Now we will going to take out the normal thing. Take out the electronics, no issue. Take out the electronics. Can you go to the small box pawn? Can you go to the small box? Yes, go to the purchasing. Yes. Go to the purchasing, and the most important thing that we have here is purchasing group. Okay, we have to give the purchasing group based on the material groups and all. Okay, that is the most important thing that we have right now. Or else you can just go to the notepad. You will going to find out the material group. Oh, sorry, purchasing group. Go to the notepad. You will going to find out the purchasing group, right? What is our purchasing group here? PAB. Take out the PAB. Yes, in SAP system only take out the PAB. PAB. Yes. Go to the continue option, and then next go to the small box pawn once again, and go to the accounting tab one. Go to the accounting tab one. See, accounting tab one. Come now. Yes, take out that one. Now we will going to see the things. Okay, what is the things here? There will be a base unit of measure is a PC, and here you will going to find out price controls. In the price controls, we will going to have moving average rate and price standard rate. We will going to take the standard rate. We will not go see when it comes to the sales and distribution cycle. We will going to have the moving average rate and also based on the sales orders, right? Yes, here you can just take a standard price. Okay, in the standard price, you can just take take out the standard price, come down. In the standard price, what you need to do is, can you take out anything, Pawan? I think, can you take out 15,000 rupees? Take out the 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees. Yes, I think we have done it. Local currency converted to the other currencies using exchange rates. No issue. And the next one is okay. Can you go to the save button and save it? No need to give anything. Can you give valuation class? I think 3,100. That is trading goods. Go to the save button and save it. Yes. Okay, so we are creating our material in the FI2MM integration. Okay, with the help of material ledger to be productive. Okay, that is the most important thing that we have right now. Okay, all of you, please try to remember each and everything. Okay, so what you need to do is, can you take out this 2676 Pawan? Can you take out material here only 2676? Can you take out the material here only? We will going to write it, and the material is 2676. Material number is 2676. Okay, all right. Can you take out the material here 2676 only, and we will going to extend this material here only give 2676 in the material field. You can just give 2676. Right, then next, yes, and here copy from is 2676. No, remove this thing. Here and copy from is 2676. Okay, click on the enter. Yes, all right, go to the continue option. Yes, can you give storage location? Storage location. Go to the continue option. No need to give any valuation type and all. Okay, you have to extend the material. That is the most important thing in this FI2MM integrations and all. Okay, can you give /n? Can you okay, give MRP type. No issue. Give MRP type as no planning, ND. No planning, ND. Okay, whatever the standard rates, whatever the moving average rates that we are going to create, we have to assign these things. Okay, go to the save button and save it. See, this material has been extended and created, right? So that is the most important thing. And I mean, when it comes to the SAP S/4HANA, errors will come into the picture. Okay, the most important thing is errors will coming into the picture. You have to have clear knowledge on the ledgers. Okay, you have to have clear knowledge on the ledgers, leading ledgers, non-leading ledgers, with the help of company code currencies and group currencies and all. That is the most important thing in SAP S/4HANA. Okay, please try to have a look in these things. Okay, all right. I think we have created it, right, Pawan?